Charlie, how are you? Sure. The head boy and the bell boy, who do you think was doing the power things?
Oh, Charlie, the head boy and the bell boy, sure, bell boy in the no power. And you bought the money crack, oh, she baby, I saw for them. And you bought a pass and so they are. So they're not no power.
On the other side, I think it's the bell boy because if he doesn't ring the bell, then that means you're not closing or you're not going for quick.
I've never had a bell in America.
Not even something to prompt you that it's time for something.
No, it's no bell.
It's interesting. Yeah. No bell at all.
None.
So how does the things work? Who tells you to move out? Who tells you to come in?
Whenever the teacher says go, you go.
You go. Wow. But can you decide? Okay, I'm not going.
No, you always have to go.
No. What if it's human rights? I don't want to go.
You could, but your grade will suffer.
I had a link that you're a bell girl back in those days. I've got a burger here. So who empowered the top?
Oh, the power in the top, the head boy.
But we can say that the bell boy controls the time, and time is above the head boy. What about that?
The time is above the head boy.
Yes.
By time does not respect any.
The fact is that the one who holds more power in everything in this is the head boy. The fact that the policeman has a power doesn't mean that you have a power over your boss. No, it doesn't happen in that way.
But someone can say that the head boy, controls the bell boy. So, I see.
When you're bad, man, now we are head boy, so fuck last.